best portable dryers for every lifestyle. I bought and tested these portable dryers so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. Each of these products has its unique features, but they all serve one purpose: making laundry day easier, whether you're in an apartment, RV, or just on the go. Let's dive in. Product number 1, Mojico Portable Clothes Dryer. When I first got my hands on the Mojico Portable Clothes Dryer, I was immediately struck by its compact design. At just $52.99, it promised to change the game for my laundry routine, especially living in a small apartment. The setup was a breeze. I pulled it out of the box, plugged it in, and was ready to go in no time. I was curious to see if it could actually dry clothes quickly as advertised. I loaded it with about 9 pieces of clothing, t-shirts, a couple of pairs of socks, and a lightweight hoodie. I set the timer and was amazed that it managed to dry everything in about 50 minutes. The unique combination of heat and airflow really works wonders. Product number 2, Uhami Portable Dryer. Next up is the Uhami Portable Dryer, which retails for $194.98. When I first saw its sleek design, I thought, this looks like it means business, and it did not disappoint. With a capacity of 1.5 cubic feet, it can handle up to 10 pounds of wet laundry. I decided to put it to the test with a load of my weekly laundry, which included a mix of lighter and heavier fabrics. One of the key features I loved was the variety of drying modes. It has settings for cold, warm, hot, and even air dry. This versatility allowed me to tailor the drying process based on fabric type. The hot setting worked wonders for my towels, making them fluffy and warm, while the cold setting was perfect for delicate items. I also appreciated how quiet it was. I could easily carry on a conversation in the same room while it was running, which is a massive plus. Product number 3, Senjico Portable Clothes Dryer. Now let's talk about the Senjico Portable Clothes Dryer, priced at just $39.99. I was skeptical about how effective a dryer this inexpensive could be. However, its 3D heat technology caught my attention. I loaded it up with around 12 items, including a mix of shirts and lighter garments. The dryer uses a waterfall-style heat wave combined with warm air circulation, which I found intriguing. After setting it up, I was pleasantly surprised by how gently it handled my clothes. The care mode is especially gentle, making it an excellent option for fragile fabrics. It operates at a noise level as low as 44 dB, making it one of the quietest options out there. I could easily watch TV in the same room without being disturbed. Product number 4, Roll-It Will's Portable Clothes Dryer. For my next pick, I tested the Roll-It Will's Portable Clothes Dryer, which retails for $33.24. This one caught my eye due to its compact and foldable design, making it a great space saver. I took it for a spin during a recent camping trip where the challenge of drying clothes was a real concern. Setting it up was a breeze, and I loved the remote control feature. I could adjust the settings from a distance, which is fantastic when you're out enjoying the great outdoors. Despite its small size, it managed to hold a decent amount of clothing, which surprised me. I loaded it with a few lightweight items and set the timer. Product number 5, Black & Decker Compact Dryer. Last but not least, I tested the Black & Decker 1.5 cubic foot compact dryer, priced at $251.99. This dryer is a bit on the pricier side, but it boasts some impressive features. Right out of the box, I noticed how sturdy and well-built it felt. With a capacity of 5.5 pounds, it's perfect for small apartments or homes. I loved the variety of drying programs available: high temperature drying, sensor dry, air dry, and anti-wrinkle. Each program allowed me to customize the drying process based on my laundry needs. The user-friendly control panel made it easy to navigate through the options. I found the performance to be outstanding. My clothes came out perfectly dry without any wrinkles, which is a huge win. After testing these 5 portable dryers, it's clear there's something for everyone.
Whether you're looking for a budget option, something for travel, or a high-capacity machine, one of these dryers will fit your needs. Choose wisely and happy drying!